What's up, guys? Prometheus here, and today we'll be doing another TikTok tutorial on how to make little shorts, little videos, TikTok shorts, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be using Clipchamp, and we're going to be using our Twitch uh, video producer, getting the highlight, and we're going to get a piece of section of it, and then we're going to publish it, and then we're going to use that for our content to make our short. Just grabbing a little piece right here and just finding any little space. I'd like to keep everything 30 seconds, even though that you could technically on TikTok make it up to 10 minutes, but we like to keep it nice and short. We'll mute that real quick because it's a little loud, but we'll find that little piece and then we'll go find a certain spot. We don't want to give it all the juiciness in the little short, but a little promote the video, promote what we're streaming and all that good stuff. Looks like I'm going to find that, and then we're going to publish it, and it's going to do its little magic, and we'll save here, save the changes at the bottom right. We're going to wait till it publishes, and I'll be shouldn't take too long for that. All right, then once it's done publishing, we're going to be just refresh real quick, and there you go. We'll download it. It's going to take a little bit, and then a new window will pop up, and it will display the highlight you did. You just want to right click and click Save As. All right, we're going to fire up Clipchamp, and then we're going to create a new video, and we're just going to import the video that we just made for the highlight. Pretty simple. I made this before a bunch of times. We'll just import it. It doesn't take too long because it's only 1 minute and 28 seconds or 26 seconds. We're just going to go ahead and keep it at 30 or closest to 30 as possible. We're going to trim it down, and then we're going to make sure we duplicate twice and stack them like we did previously before and all that good stuff. But we're going to the bottom layer, because the multiple tracks, we're going to call them layers. The bottom track or layer is going to be our background. We're going to add the blur effect to that one, and then the top one we are going to that's going to be our gameplay one, and the very top part of the layer or track is going to be our webcam. We'll crop that one, and just like normal, and we're going to make sure all but one track is unmuted. That way we don't run into any sound problems where everything is echoing because we forgot to mute all but two. So that's going to be, make sure we do that, and you may have to play it a couple times. Also, you want to make sure that the format is going to be 9/16, and then boom, position the webcam. We're going to crop it now, and yeah, all your filters now, because it's a slight update for Clipchamp, is going to be to your right. And then once we get that, we'll position it. Click done. Once we're done positioning the crop, and then boom, and then we're going to position the webcam and stretch it out just a little bit. That looks pretty decent. All right, and the next one is we're going to move to the middle track of the top one and stretch it out a little bit because the cam, so we won't see the cam. Boom, that's good. Right now, we'll make sure all but one is unmuted, and then we're going to add a text, just giving it a little title for it. We'll be playing. We'll type it, the mortuary assistance. We're going to use the typewriter effect, I think. I don't see anything else too appealing. Okay, typewriter is up top, and we'll use that. And pretty simple, yeah. You just boom, everything it needs in the top right now. So just go to text and type what you want to type, and boom, that's it. But be sure to subscribe because we're going to be messing with in our next video for a tutorial. We're going to mess with the speed a lot and try to make something cool that we can create utilizing the speed. Clipchamp does a nice little way of doing it. It's not too harsh or demanding on your PC, so it actually works pretty well. But yes, make sure you do click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll know when I upload that video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an excellent day, and I hope this has helped out just as much as it was fun making it. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Happy editing.